convicted fraudster and controversial businessman Chivhayo has announced a $2 million cash donation and the provision of 20 high-end vehicles to Zimbabwe security services in a move that has reignited debate over his wealth, political proximity, and influence within state institutions. Celebrate mashikubdanyo kwa chinzi Chivhayo bengrows the military. Video subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Timna na mubdanyo kwa mchinzi. Posting on his social media platforms on Monday, Chivhayo said the money and the vehicles were earmarked for cheer fund and festive welfare activities within the Zimbabwe Defense Forces ZDF, Zimbabwe Republic Police ZRP, and Zimbabwe Prison and Correctional Services ZPCS. According to his announcement, the donations including 10 Toyota Land Cruisers, 300 series VXR vehicles, and 1 million in cash for the ZDF Commander's Christmas Cheer Fund, 5 similar vehicles, and $500,000 for the ZRP Commissioner's General Cheer Fund, and another 5 vehicles plus $500,000 for the ZPCS Commissioner General's Cheer Fund. Chivhayo said the vehicles were ready for immediate handover through a local motor dealer and that the cash was available for distribution, subject to approval by President Emerson Mnangagwa, who is also Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces. Chivhayo has for years attracted public scrutiny over the origins of his wealth. He rose to prominence through the energy and infrastructure deals, and he has been linked to several high-value government contracts, including the now infamous Gwanda Solar Power Project, which collapsed amid allegations of corruption and misrepresentation. He has previously been convicted in a fraud case, a record that continues to shadow his public persona despite his persistent self-branding as a patriotic philanthropy. Domashkanobda pangwa inoi, the latest version yonekwa kunzi aiwa wikino Chivhayo pangwa inoi azunyanya kuvhura hombe manje. Aiwa asati kambona such a donation yakadai. Pina comment section medu dzafungura email uri pamusoro pechitwechi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.